Hi, my name is Jay Cutting, and welcome to ReVamp Energy. You're about to discover the secret of how to properly navigate the process of going solar to ensure you are eligible for California's renewable energy tax incentives. We've created a free video training series for you that explains how to save thousands of dollars on your energy bills and take advantage of new tax incentives the right way, before they are gone. Also, on the next page, you'll get all the details about how you can immediately implement a renewable energy solution that will save you thousands of dollars for no money down or no money out of pocket. So go ahead, put in your name and primary email address and click the button right now, and we'll see you on the inside.